Remember how we dreamed about a phone that transformed into a tablet by pressing a button? Well, it turns out that our dream has come true. So Oppo recently showed off their first phone with a screen that transforms into a tablet, and it is as interesting as it gets. So normally it looks like a normal phone with a robust design and an under-display camera, by the way, with a 6.7-inch OLED display, but as soon as you slide your finger across the frame, the real magic happens. It transforms into a 7.4-inch mini tablet. Mind blown. Like, how sick is that? Having a normal phone that transforms into a tablet, and by the looks of it, it is pretty robust. And if you ask me, then it is much more interesting to me than foldable phones. Now, it is a concept phone, so it won't be available to the public, so you can't buy it. How it works, you may ask? Well, it has a rolling motor inside of it that has a screen rolled into it. When it is triggered by sliding your finger across the frame, it unrolls the display, making it a mini tablet. Now, that's not it. There is much more stuff going on inside of it. Long story short, it has a pretty complex mechanism, at least much more complex mechanism than the foldable phones. Now, it still does have a plastic OLED display since glass doesn't fold, so it would still have durability issues. It will still be very fragile. It won't be water and dust resistant, but fingers crossed it would get better as the technology progresses. Now, some sources claim that it would be available to the public by 2022, and apparently Samsung is also working on a phone like this. We have seen numerous patents like this. It would most likely be called Galaxy Fold S or Galaxy Roll, and it might be available to the public by the end of 2021 or early 2022. Now, it is going to be very expensive, coming at around $2,500 or something like that. Pretty expensive, I know, but let me tell you, foldable phones are the future of phones. By 2021 and 2022, we would start to see many more companies showing off their foldable phones, and hopefully they would get cheap too. I am very excited about this. Let me know down in the comment section below what you guys think about it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more of the tech content. I really need your support. Drop a like, and I'll see you guys next time.